Take a seat on the highly adjustable Uplift Pursuit ergonomic office chair. Raise and lower your seat with the pneumatic height adjustment feature. Then raise or lower the arms to suit your posture and position the arm pads towards or away from you. The soft yet durable fabric seat delivers ample support to your lower back, while the mesh back provides better airflow to your back. The height adjustable headrest ensures both your head and neck are properly supported. We've integrated the same feature on the back support. Just push forward, raise or lower, and then lock. You can also adjust lumbar support by turning the wheel mechanism, making this chair highly modifiable for your body type. Rock your chair comfortably by fine-tuning the tilt tension control. That, combined with the Pursuit's waterfall edge seat, allows you to take the pressure off your knees, increase leg mobility, and improve your circulation while sitting. And with the back angle adjustment feature, recline and lock the chair at different angles to match your comfort level, or leave the back unlocked for free movement. The Pursuit boasts a 360-degree swivel, small item compartment, and 5 caster wheels to give you optimal office mobility. Just roll it aside when you're ready to switch working postures. The Uplift Pursuit ergonomic office chair sports a contemporary design for the modern workspace while delivering comfortable, ergonomic seating at your desk.
What is Duo-Rest? Is it just a chair? Duo-Rest isn't just a chair. Duo-Rest is more than dual. More than comfort. Duo-Rest is more than a chair. Do more. Duo-Rest.
Sit stylishly and comfortably with a budget-friendly, Facet ergonomic chair by Uplift Desk. The BIFMA certified Facet chair adapts to your body to ensure an ideal fit. Adjust 11 different settings like seat height, lumbar, seat depth, armrests, and more to your satisfaction. Synchro tilt with auto tilt tension control that adjusts to your weight allows for optimal seat and back resistance, ensuring that the backrest reclines when you lean backwards and your feet stay on the floor. Reduce back and neck pain by adjusting the height and tilt of the headrest. A breathable mesh back helps you stay cool while seated. With advanced adjustability, the BIFMA certified Facet ergonomic chair by Uplift Desk is the perfect way to improve your comfort and posture at home or work.
The gesture chair was designed and engineered to be intuitive to adjust. All controls are on the right side of the chair, making them easy to locate. Each control gives immediate feedback when adjusted, making it easier to learn what each control does. All controls related to the back are in the back of the user interface, and all controls related to the seat are in the front of the user interface. The core interface is designed to provide continuous support in a wide range of postures. Turn the knob forward for more resistance and backward for less resistance. The variable backstop has 4 settings: upright lock, full recline, and 2 stops in between. Located in set of the back tension knob, it allows users to set the limit of recline according to preference or activity. To adjust the optional lumbar, grasp the handles on both sides of the chair and slide to desired position at the lower back. The limb interface is designed to support the full range of motion of the human arm. The 360 arm has a single release, allowing users to position the arms of the chair appropriately for their size and their activity. Lift the lever under the arm to adjust height. Push the arm in or out to adjust width. To adjust arm cap position, grasp arm caps and slide in any direction. Seat depth can relieve pressure on the back of the leg, improving circulation. Remain seated and turn the knob away from you to extend, and turn the knob towards you to retract. Position the seat depth 2 to 3 inches from the back of the knee. To raise chair, lift your body weight and hold lever up. To lower chair, remain seated while holding lever up. Adjust until your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Grasp the headrest pad and move up or down to adjust height. Grasp supports and pivot forward or backward, and rotate the headrest pad forward or backward to adjust angle. Gesture, the first chair designed to support our interactions with today's technologies. Inspired by the movement of the human body, created for the way we work today.